I love how easy it is to use. Just measure out the kernels, put the lid on, and pop it in the microwave. The bowl is the perfect size for making a single serving of popcorn. It's not too big and not too small. It's also great that it comes in a vibrant red color. It adds a fun pop of color to my kitchen. The lid fits snugly on the bowl and prevents any kernels from popping out while it's cooking. The bowl is made of a durable material that can withstand high heat in the microwave. I appreciate that it's dishwasher safe, so cleaning up is a breeze. The popcorn comes out fluffy and evenly popped. It's not greasy like the bagged microwave popcorn. I love that I can control the amount of oil and seasoning I add to my popcorn. I can make it as healthy or as indulgent as I want. The bowl has a convenient handle that stays cool to the touch, so I can easily remove it from the microwave without burning myself. I like that I can watch the popcorn as it's popping through the clear lid. It's fun to see it transform from kernels to a fluffy snack. The bowl is lightweight and easy to handle. It's not bulky or cumbersome like some other popcorn makers. I appreciate that it doesn't take up much storage space in my kitchen. It's compact and can easily be tucked away. The price of this popcorn maker is very reasonable. It's much cheaper than buying bags of microwave popcorn. I love that I can make popcorn whenever I want without having to run to the store to buy pre-packaged bags. The bowl is microwave safe, so I don't have to worry about it melting or warping in the microwave. The popcorn maker is made by Cuisinart, a trusted brand known for their quality kitchen appliances. I like that the bowl has measurement markings on the inside. It makes it easy to measure out the right amount of popcorn. The lid has a vent for releasing steam, so the popcorn doesn't get soggy. The bowl is made from BPA-free materials, so I feel safe using it for my food. I appreciate that the bowl has a wide opening, making it easy to pour the popcorn out without making a mess. The popcorn maker is very durable and has held up well to frequent use. I like that the bowl has a non-stick surface, so the popcorn doesn't stick to the sides. It's great that the popcorn maker is versatile and can be used with different types of kernels. I appreciate that it's a healthier alternative to bagged microwave popcorn, as I can control the amount of oil and salt I use. Click link in description for more reviews.